Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video I'm going to show you a brand new tool, a brand new software to create images, stunning images, create stunning videos, absolutely free of charge, okay? And you're going to love this because this is something powerful, new, going viral and taking the internet by storm. Now if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you have any kind of questions, just leave a comment for me. It will be appreciated. Give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And click the share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video can change everything. Now, if you're interested in learning how to make money online the proven way, how I am making money, how my students are making money online, then make sure you go into my description box below this video and check out the links. In there I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a multiple 4, 5 and a 6-figure internet business from scratch using our proven 100% profit business model, which you get access to as a business box. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Brand new tool, brand new software to create stunning images and stunning videos, and you can get on this right now because guess what, it is going viral and you will have the opportunity to be the first person to start using this to create stunning images and stunning videos. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you're seeing a picture of bananas and you're probably thinking, well, what are you talking about? What is these bananas doing here? Okay, we don't care about these banana pictures, but you can see these pictures, okay? These are different type of pictures of bananas. You can see some ripe bananas, you can see some messed up bananas, you can see some unripe bananas, you can see some different color bananas. We don't care about bananas, all right? What we want to do is we want to use a tool that is going to create stunning images, and that tool is called Nano Banana. That's right. Google Gemini had just launched a brand new tool, brand new software that has destroyed Photoshop. No more Photoshop. People are not going to use Photoshop from now. What they're going to use is Nano Banana. Nano Banana is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. And let me show you how Nano Banana works and how it is going to actually be one of the top used, promoted and recommended tools of software from Google. Okay, so let's get into this. So I'm going to click on here, try Nano Banana. So let's click on this and it's already giving me a prompt down here. Okay, I don't want to use this prompt. Let's just give it a prompt and let's see what we can do. Okay, so I'm going to come here, say create. Okay, if I come back here and I put another prompt here and I want to put something like create an image with trees, clouds, sunshine on the beach. Okay, let's run this and watch what happens. Okay, so it's going to go out there and it's going to create that image for me. It's just looking into it. So you can see here it's using tokens, so they give you free tokens to use for this purpose. Okay, so here's your image. All right, so it's go out there and it just created this image for me. All right, so I'm just going to click on it and look at this. Check this out. It's got a beach. Okay, it's got the clouds, it's got the sunshine, and it's got the trees. So whatever I said to Nano Banana, that's what exactly it done. All right, this is just a couple of examples. All right, in my future videos I'm gonna come up with more training on how to use this tool to actually go out there and create simple PDFs, simple books and sell it online. Okay, I'm gonna show you step by step how this powerful tool can go out and create simple books for you, simple PDFs for you, and you can start selling those books and start making money online. All right, this was just a demonstration video showing you this brand new tool that's taking the internet by storm and smashing all the other tools out there that allows you to create these images and photos and other things, etc., etc. So give it a test drive. If you are building a website, building a sales funnel, you need testimonial images, you need proof, you need screen images, whatever image you want, this software can do all the heavy lifting for you. So it's a brand new tool and it's free for a couple of tokens. So they give you a couple of tokens that you can use for free, and then after that they do have a payment plan that you can use. But start getting familiar with this tool to create stunning online images related to trees, adventure, beaches, mansions, okay, cars, etc., etc., and start using it because this is going viral.